Ganga, the largest river of India, flows 2,525 km through the heart of the country from Gangotri to Gangasagar. Ganga is the lifeline of thousands of people supporting fisheries, agriculture, animal husbandry, besides providing water for drinking and other purposes. Anthropogenic activities like pollution, dams and barrages, water abstraction, siltation, etc. are responsible in declining its fisheries considerably. Landing of Indian major carps like Katla, Rohu and Mrigal has severely reduced in many stretches of Ganga. Livelihood of associated fishers are hampered. ICAR Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute, Barakpur, have planned for ranching the river with fish seed in depleted stretches identified through surveys carried out under Namami Gange program of NMCG, New Delhi. For this purpose, prospective brooders of Indian major carps are collected from the river Ganga. Suitably nurtured them in rearing ponds for maturation. Spawn have been produced through induced breeding and are reared in nursery pond for growing them up to fingerlings. Then, fingerlings ready to be released in the river, and the process of releasing fingerlings in the river is called river ranching. So far, CIFRI has ranched about 19 lakhs fingerling in various stretches of river Ganga through 25 ranching programs. Fishes are carried to the ranching sites after due conditioning, acclimatization with the riverine environment, keeping in the hapa, followed by release in the river. Eminent personality Shri Uma Bharti ji, former Honorable Union Minister of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, took special interest in river ranching program at Barakpur, imbibed the fishers of Ganga with her words of wisdom. At Allahabad, we got Union Minister Mr. Nitin Gadkari and State Fishery Minister Sri Jaiprakash Nisad ji in this initiative. Many renowned dignitaries encourage the effort by their presence and do ranching in their own hand right from Rishikesh to Belur, Howrah. Swami Girishananda ji, manager of Belur Ramakrishna Mutt, and Swami Atma Priyananda ji, Vice Chancellor, extended their holy hands in ranching program with encouraging words of wisdom for the Ganga fishers in this Namami Ganga initiative. Dr. J.K. Jena, Deputy Director General Fisheries Science, ICAR, Padma Shri Professor R.K. Sinha, Dr. Sandeep Behra and Professor Prakash Natyal actively involved in ranching program at Gandhi Ghat, Barakpur. The local government also showed special interest in rejuvenating Ganga through ranching in their respective areas like Allahabad Sangam, Navadip Mayapur, Balagar Hooghly with active involvement of local fishers. MLA of Sagar Island, Sri Bankim Hajra could not resist himself taking part in this noble cause. Former General President, Indian Science Congress, Dr. A.K. Saxena and Dr. Subrata Mandal, CGM NABARD, also took part in this ranching program. Professor Basudev Appa, Vice Chancellor, along with Dr. S.C. Pathak of NABARD, ranched at Nawabganj Ghat, Ichhapur, West Bengal.
ICAR Sifri is working for the past 2 years in the river ranching program, in which at present 18 lakhs fingerlings has been released in the river Ganga. And in this concept, we have taken 25 ranching stations in various places and releasing Indian major carps like Rohu, Katla, Mrigal and Labio Calvasu to see its development and the propagation in the river Ganga. Besides, it also provides the livelihood and cleaning under the National Mission for Clean Ganga. Further, we have planned in the next 1 year, we are trying to release more than 30 lakhs fingerlings in the river Ganga.
Awareness programs were conducted in all the ranching sites of Ganga.
तीसरा है, जैसे गंगा में जितना मैला फैला हम डाल रहे हैं, इसको भी क्लीन होगा, जो ऑर्गेनिक जैसे.
Distribution of leaflets and pamphlets as to save the stocked fish from being poached immediately after release. The print and electronic media are equivocal in disseminating ranching programs of Ganga. Fishers are requested not to operate destructive fishing gears catching juveniles as well as gravid matured fishes. ICAR Sifri is taking lead by its dynamic project team for upkeeping the sustainable river health as well as monitoring ecological aspects and fishery. Golden days of Ganga fishery are not far off if such ranching programs are fervently being made on regular basis involving common fishers, local governments, politicians and other stakeholders.